Okay, we've got a circle, radius 5, and we've been asked by drawing a suitable straight line on the diagram, find estimates of the solutions to the pair of equations x squared plus y squared equals 25 and y equals 2x plus 1. Well, I suppose the first thing to recognise is the fact that x squared plus y squared equals 25 is indeed this circle. The general equation for a circle whose centre is the origin is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. The diagram shows a circle radius 5, and indeed, if we square 5, we get 25. So yes, the circle shown is indeed the equation as written. So what we've got to do is put on the graph the line represented by y equals 2x plus 1. Well, the simplest way to draw that is not to do a table. The simplest way to draw that is to consider gradient and intercept. And if we compare with our master straight line equation, y equals mx plus c, you can see that therefore the gradient m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. This is the intercept of the y-axis, and this is the rise of the line divided by the run, the gradient. Okay, now, the intercept on the y-axis means the line goes through that point there. Y-axis, the intercept being 1. So with the rise and the run as quoted here as 2, it means if I go along 1, I climb 2. So another point of the line would be here. Go along 1, climb 2. Go back 1, fall 2. Go back 1, fall 2. And you can see our red dots indeed join up to be a straight line. And that is the graph of y equals 2x plus 1. And you can see that the circle and the line cross at 2 points. So if I call that point A and that point B, I could say that the coordinates of A are, the x value is negative 2.6, and the y value is negative 4.4. And B, reading off, an x value of 1.8 and a y value of 4.6. And there are your answers for the two intersection points.